This is Mama Miche, and today in my magic kitchen, linguine with clam sauce. 21 years ago, I went to Memphis Labor Day weekend to play a music festival and spend time with the guy I had started dating. His birthday was the following week, so I offered to cook a homemade birthday meal for him. I went all out with several courses, outfit changes, and was as extra as could be. So extra, I can laugh about it now. I wanted to share the recipe of the main course with y'all, and it struck me that I should make it for my hubster's birthday and record it for our channel. 21 years ago, I made him this meal in hot pants. Now I'm more of a yoga pants gal. Good thing we had a common love language, food. Let Mama Miche make your kitchen magic. Okay? Let's eat.
Give me a moment to collect myself.
Let's eat.